Hi, and welcome to this animal performance training video. Today we're going to look at importing a tag bucket file. In Animal Performance, visit the Uploads tab, and you can either use Choose File to search your computer for your tag bucket file, or you can drag and drop it onto the screen. Once it's here on the screen, you're going to want to make sure that all of these here are green. So we have one which is the year which isn't mapped. So I'm going to map this one to numeric life data, which is as easy as make sure it's got a name, clicking on life data and clicking on numeric. That will map that automatically. If you don't want to map it, click ignore and that will turn that value green. It just won't import it. Now that that's mapped, I can select done. I'm going to leave the name for this tag bucket file and I'm going to use today's date as the date. I'm going to click upload, and once this is uploaded, it will be available for me to view on my phone so I can sync it to my handheld reader, or available for me on my scale so I can start putting tags in animals' ears that way as well. I'm going to open up the weigh scale here, start a quick session and just show you how these tags will now come through. The first thing I have to make sure I do on my scale is press the sync button. This will just take a few moments, so I'll synchronize that now. Great, now that's all synced, I'm going to click the done button, click new, quick start a session, grab one of the animals from that tag bucket file. I'm going to choose 3-22, and we can see that animal is now in the scale with their tag number and their EID. I can start recording weights against that animal and start recording data against that animal. Awesome, thank you for watching this video on how to upload a tag bucket file. We'll see you in the next one.